So the Red Cross has been installing smoke alarms nationwide since October of 2014. We've installed over 1 million smoke alarms since the campaign first started, but this is a little bit different. This is Sound the Alarm, Save a Life. It is a nationwide campaign. We're installing over 100,000 smoke alarms in 100 signature cities across the United States. My fingers are crossed for maybe 100 smoke alarms to be installed today.
We've had a long partnership with the Red Cross. Of course, we work with them whenever we have storms and there's major outages. They come in, we work side by side with them. And we were approached by them a couple of months ago about their Sound the Alarm program. And today we've got 28 of our volunteers that are canvassing neighborhoods to go to appointments and install smoke alarms free of charge to local residents. So we've got teams of 3 that are going out. It's an opportunity for us to support the Red Cross, talk about fire safety, but also at the same time we'll be bringing along some storm kits and talk to them about the importance of being safe when there are power outages and storms.